is Mindy from The Weekend Gardener, and here's another video in our landscaping series. And what I'm going to talk about is utilizing the 5 senses in your landscaping. Now I'm really going to center this around the front door and for people who are looking to resell their home. But if you're totally content with your home the way it is your landscaping, by all means, go for it. If you're looking for a change, this technique of utilizing the 5 senses may be something that you may want to look into. It's kind of a unique concept as far as landscape design. Now, believe it or not, utilizing our senses in landscape design is very important, and it goes beyond the visual. So if you think about our senses, we see, we smell, we taste, we hear, we touch, right? If you can address as many of those senses as possible, and this is especially important, this is a tip, as far as selling your home, it makes your home memorable. So how do you do that? Well, we've talked about using color, your brightest color around your front door. So how do you utilize sound as far as a landscape design element? Now, you don't want to put a big fountain in your front yard. That's another video. But what you can do is you can utilize the concept of sound by having a small tabletop fountain. And in this example, on this front porch, a nice gentle trickling sound of running water can be very calming. And a person who feels calm and safe is more likely to consider your home. The other thing is smell. And the sound and smell are some that people really don't think about. But if you think about when you're trying to sell your home, your realtor is going to want to have some fresh baked cookies in there, or have a candle burning. It smells like sugar cookies or gingerbread or something like that. The reason for that is because it triggers a prior memory. It triggers a memory of when you were safe at grandma's baking or mom and dad's. Again, it makes it feel like home. Well, a wonderful plant that you can utilize that has a very unique foliage color, has a vibrant bloom color, and provides that smell that you're looking for is lavender. So placing lavender, either growing in a pot, in your landscape design, will help you address that smell scent and will make your home memorable for anybody that enters a home, especially those people that are thinking about buying your home. So until we meet in the garden again, this has been Mindy from The Weekend Gardener.